And today we're here at the West Virginia Farm Museum in Mason County, West Virginia. Today we're discussing the family Bible and the Bible box. I have my brother Gary Vance here today, and he brought the family Bible. Well, Gary, I want to let you know that I have built a Bible box for you to keep this Bible in there, so it'll stay in better shape.
Thank you.
I use a frame and panel lid, and I like for the lid to be inset, and I like for it to be contrasting. Also, the hinges that I use a wooden hinge with a little metal pin. I think that adds a lot to the design feature of this piece. So now I need to let that set. Although it's 5-minute epoxy, I like to let it set for about 15 or 20 minutes. And then I'll remove a little spacer, and then that'll be it. Thanks for watching the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Be proud of your Appalachian heritage.